Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this really cool birthday card. Now this particular one I have is for the year 1995. Now here is how everything arrives. You've got a really great envelope, and then you have the main card here, so you can see the gold foil 30 and 1995 with all of the beautiful blues and golds. And then here is how the inside looks until we finish assembling it. And then you have the back here, again with that gold foil for the beautiful happy birthday script. The quality of this is outstanding, and it's such a fun size because it's extra large. And then you have the little insert here that goes on the inside flap. So I'm going to run through how to get it assembled real quick, and then I'll run through some of the really cool things that it has inside. So to get started, you want to take this little inside card, and it has a crease here in the middle that you can follow. You want to get that folded in half like so. And then we're going to take the big card, and there are little slits up in the top and the bottom fold so that we can slide this card in. Now, whenever you fold it, it will fold everything together. Now, on the inside, there are so many cool details about that birth year. So there's who the US president was and the population, different championships and awards, and then it tells you how many weeks, days, hours, and minutes from the start of that birth year. And then there's movies that were in theaters, things that were on television. I think this one is really cool. It's what things cost, so you can really compare that. I think this is such a wonderful keepsake item. I feel like so many birthday cards get tossed to the side, maybe even thrown away, but this is definitely a very special one. It feels so well made, and I find it so fascinating. I know my husband is going to adore this, so I cannot wait to give this to him for his 30th birthday. So if you guys were looking for a really fun and fascinating birthday card, I think you can't go wrong with this. I would highly recommend it.